Daniel here, Gen Wealth Concepts. Can your whole life premiums go up? That's a question that I've heard from people, and they ask me that, and the answer is no. If anything, they can go down if you want them to, but why would you in the case of cash value whole life, where you're trying to build this family bank and you're trying to better your life and the lives of your loved one, your family, your loved ones, you wouldn't want to stop paying into that, right? You wouldn't want to slow down. You wouldn't want to reduce it unless you got into a tight spot. And if you did get into a tight spot and you couldn't pay it, there are options. There's at least 3 to 4 options. One being if you've had it enforced for, let's say, more than 7 years. I think I mentioned this in another video, or in several other videos, maybe, you can go what's called reduced paid up. Reduced paid up, you buy up the amount of insurance and death benefit you can buy up at that moment. After that, you pay nothing else, but you can put nothing else into it. So that's the downside. You can't put any more money into it. You can have an automatic policy premium payment from a policy loan. That happens on its own normally. If you don't pay it and it goes, past the anniversary, there's that option. You can just pay the base premium. I talked about it in a couple of videos ago about the base premium. You just pay the base premium, which is a smaller amount, and you pay that. And so in the infinite banking concept type of strategy, being your own banker, the way they utilize it and the companies that they utilize and companies that are utilized, if they favor the base premium, which many do, not all, but many do, you will get a higher dividend on that base premium. So after 10 plus years, it makes sense to pay the base premium and then take that extra money and then start a new policy and so on and so forth, because of the amount that you're getting paid on that money that's being paid in on that base premium. Anyway, I'm getting off track. So the base premium, you can just pay that. You can do the premium or what's called you can also turn on permanently what's called a premium offset. So premium offset is the same as what I talked about below, it going past the anniversary and it making a policy loan from the available cash value. As long as that cash value is sufficient, it's going to happen. In this case, you can turn on premium offset and it will automatically happen on the anniversary date, no matter what, until you turn it off. And then you can turn it off and you can put money in it whenever you're able to put more money in. And maybe you were in a tight spot that lasted a year or two, whatever it is. Maybe you could have even gone through a bankruptcy or something like that. These things are protected from bankruptcies in most states. So you have the ability to have control over that. Will it ever go up? No, it'll never go up. In some cases, you would want it to go up because of the return you're receiving on that money. But you also have that ability, like I just explained, if something it hits the fan, you can't make the payments, at least short term, even long term, you have options. So will it ever go up? The answer, no. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. If you want to schedule an appointment to go over your needs, it's down below. If you want to check out any other info, my Facebook page, stuff like that, it should be down below. Catch you on the next one.